welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best amount to borrow through Stripe Capital. I've used Stripe Capital myself, and what I learned is that the best amount isn't a fixed number. It's the amount that perfectly matches your specific business need, without becoming a burden. Stripe Capital makes offers based on your Stripe payment volume, so you'll have a range to choose from. But here's the straightforward way to think about it. 1. Identify a specific goal. Don't borrow just because you can. You need a clear, revenue-generating purpose. For me, the decision was always tied to a specific project with a high potential return. For example, is it for inventory for a peak season? Calculate the exact cost of the inventory you expect to sell out, a major marketing campaign. Determine the budget for the ad spend and creatives. Essential equipment or software. Get a precise quote. If the money doesn't have a clear job that will directly increase your sales, you should probably borrow less or not at all. 2. Calculate the total cost. Stripe Capital uses a single flat fee, not compounding interest. You'll see this fee and the total repayment amount before you accept the offer. 3. Assess your cash flow and repayment rate. Stripe Capital's automatic repayment is a percentage of your daily sales. This is a huge benefit because you pay less on slow days and more on busy days. Look at the repayment rate. Simulate the impact. My advice, based on experience, is to start conservative. Choose the smallest amount that completely funds your high ROI goal. If that project is successful, you pay off the balance, and Stripe will automatically evaluate you for a new offer. This minimizes risk and avoids paying a fee on excess capital you don't immediately need. You're better off taking 2 smaller, successful advances than 1 large advance that ties up too much of your daily revenue. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.